Well, I'm all for Christmas.
Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As promised, today I have my Poundland haul. Haven't actually got a lot of stuff in my bag at the minute, but I've got some last minute gifts that I needed, got some little stocking fillers that I needed. Also, I picked up some DIY stuff because I'm making a lot of gifts this year. It's so inexpensive and I just think you've added that bit of touch to it. You've given a bit of love and thought into a present that you've given someone. So I'm going to rush through this video today because we are currently on Christmas Eve and I need to go out and get my last bits of food that I need from Aldi's. And I know it's going to be packed in there. It's going to be a little quick video today. It is Christmas Day tomorrow. Can you believe it? I feel like I've been talking about Christmas since November and it's literally flown past. It's just come around so quick. I can't believe it's Christmas Day tomorrow. At my age, I still get so excited, but I get more excited for the kids than anything really. So anyway, so without further ado, don't forget, if you like this video at any point today, then smash that thumbs up button for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well to see more uploads, and let's get into this video. So I've got this bag, because obviously I was getting on the bus and I wanted a nice sturdy bag. But I did ask if there was any Christmas bag. This was the only one and I wasn't mad about it. This was one of my favourite movies when I was younger anyway. I used to love The Snowman. But yeah, I picked this bag up and it was £1.50. Per usual with me, no particular order whatsoever. I'm just going to pull out what's in the bag first. So the first item I picked up I really needed. I've got all my wrapping paper and all of that, but I just realised I didn't have any bows or any ribbon or anything like that. So I saw these, absolutely love these. You get 7 metres per ribbon and there's 16, it's a 16 pack of gift bows and ribbons. So I just picked up this one here, which is blue, white and silver. And you get 3 bows for every single one of these sets of ribbons. So next up, I had to pick up these Festive Friends. How cute are these? Christmas biscuits. You just got to have them in your cupboard. And they were £1. So for Brandon, as a gift this year, I thought I would do him a little gift box with all his favourite sweets in. So I found this little tiny box of Heroes, which I thought was so cute. Only £1. Not sure how many you get in there. It says 78 grams. So yeah. So I picked up these. I'm just going to take them out of the box and just have them all inside this gift box. And I saw these star mix as well, and it's just a Haribo star mix. So it's got all your different types of, you know, your little old school sweets inside. So I'm just going to undo these as well and just spread them out in this box. But I'm just going to get loads and loads of his favourite sweets and just have it in this box. I actually went on a website and I saw them online and they were like £10, £15 for a box. And I just thought, if I just got all the stuff myself, I've got loads of boxes at home. Just put some wrapping paper on it so it looks really nice. Put some tissue paper inside and then just put all his favourite sweets in it. And it works out so inexpensive compared to how much I would have paid online. So it's a thoughtful little gift, so, and I know he's going to really like it because he's a real sweet tooth. So I've got loads of little sweets for him. I've even picked up some Bueno bars because they are his favourite chocolate bars ever. So yeah, I'm going to try and go down Aldi's to get some more bits today. But really inexpensive gift, and it's a really nice gift as well because it's really thoughtful. Next up, as a DIY gift, I thought I would do Lauren a Pamper Box. She's got 2 children and she never gets time to pamper herself, so why not better time than Christmas? So I thought I'd do her a Pamper Box. And in Poundland there has some really good gifts with Pamper Boxes. So I picked up these bath Crumble. I think they're just like bath fizzers. Only £1, and they just come in a little package like this. The packaging itself is really cute. I'm going to take some of these out. I'm going to put them in a jar as well. I'll tell you in a minute what I'm going to do. But yeah, I picked this one up, which is the bath Crumble. And then I also picked up this one, which is bath sprinkles. And I just thought this was really nice. It's peony fragrance as well. And I know I like peony fragrance because I've got the peony candles. So this is going to smell really nice. But I really like this because it's like, it's in really nice packaging again, and it's lilac. It's lilac and white salts inside. So yeah, these are just like bath salts really. So she's always telling me how dry her lips are recently. Obviously with the colder weather, your lips do get drier. But she never buys anything for herself to do something about it. And I saw this and I thought, what a great idea. So this is an exfoliator for lips. So it says it's raspberry sugar lip scrub with coconut oil and cocoa butter. Helps to exfoliate and smooth lips. And then at the bottom, so first of all you've got the lip scrub up here. And then at the bottom it's got a collagen lip mask. So this has got hyaluronic acid, helps to soften and moisturise your lips. Put these two together after she's had a nice bubbly bath, and then she can get out of her bath, she can pamper her lips. I'm just going to put all of this in a box and just say to her, look girl, one night this week you need to have a pamper, and you've got your box, so you've got no excuses now. And it's going to be a really inexpensive present as well, but again, you put so much effort into it. So yeah, so I think she's going to really like this. And like I said, her lips are really dry at the minute, so this is going to come in so handy. And this was literally £1, and I think it looks so much more expensive than £1. And then when she gets out of her pamper bath, I picked this one up because I thought she could have a nice hot chocolate, sit down, watch a bit of Netflix, and then you've got some cozy socks inside as well. So she's going to feel so pampered. It says the snuggle is real, but I just love it. It's a really nice size because it's quite a big cup, and it's got the cozy socks inside. So she's going to feel so good with this pamper box. And honestly, it's so inexpensive, but you put so much effort into it, and they will appreciate it so more. So another thing to add to her little pamper box was this limited edition shimmer body lotion. It moisturises, conditions, leaving skin with an illuminated radiant glow. And I just thought this would be really nice when she gets out of her bath, and she can just put this on and her skin will be glowing. But yeah, so it's this. So it just looks like this. And then I don't know whether you can see, let me turn it around that way. So inside it's like a really nice goldy sort of effect. It's got like gold shimmers. Oh, you can see there. So it's got like little gold shimmers in it. I picked up this perfume. This perfume was £1, but when I sprayed it in the shop, it smells amazing. I bought perfumes from the pound shop before. There was a black opium like dupe, and I'm not lying to you, it smells exactly like the black opium. It was so nice, and it was £1. And every time I wear it, people say to me, that's really nice, and I only paid £1 for it. So I saw this one. I can't remember what this one reminds me about. Comment down below if you know what this one is a dupe for. But I sprayed it in the shop and it smelled gorgeous. She likes Ghost and things like that, and I thought it sort of reminded me of the Ghost one. But again, £1, you get 100 millilitres in this. A little added gift for £1, so inexpensive. The kids, they absolutely love Play-Doh when they come around my house, and Play-Doh in my house doesn't last very long. It goes really hard, or it ends up on the floor, in the Hoover. So I'm always stocking up with Play-Doh. I got some the other day in Home Bargains, but I saw these for £1 and I thought they were so good. So these are the dough crafts. I've got a pizza playset, and then I've got a happy birthday playset. And Gabby, whenever she plays with Play-Doh, she always makes me a birthday cake, sings me happy birthday. I'm telling you now, my birthday is literally every day when they come round. So I think she's going to absolutely love this one. So I picked this one up for Gabby, and it's just a birthday one. So you get 3 colours of Play-Doh, and then you get a little tray, moulding tray, and then you get a little rolling pin. And I just thought for £1, you just can't go wrong with that. And kids absolutely love things like this. They don't know it's £1. This one, you get a rolling pin, a little pizza knife, and then you get the tray with all the moulding set in it as well. Just looks like this. And I just think for £1, they're going to really appreciate those. They did have some more in there. I picked up another one for Amelia, but I've already given her her presents. Like I said, Brandon's having a sweet box this year. I'm trying to be quiet because he's literally next door. But like I said, I'm doing a sweet box for Brandon, and I know these for kids, but he absolutely loves them. Kinder chocolate. I mean, I like Kinder chocolate as well. But I thought you could put these in his hot chocolate. Have you ever tasted Kinder chocolate in hot chocolate? It's so nice. And bueno as well. And in fact, the other day I had a Ferrero Rocher in my hot chocolate. It was beautiful. 8 bar, no, you get 10 bars for the price of 8. Just these little Kinder bars. So I'm just going to sprinkle these around in the box as well. It's going to look like it's got loads and loads of sweets, but I've literally paid next to nothing for it. I found these cozy socks for Gabby. So these are, they've got like a little, they've got a picture of a unicorn on the front, and I can't believe it. The other day when I spoke to her on the phone, she said, Nanny, I really want some unicorn slippers. And I'd already bought these, so I was so happy. But you get 2 pairs, they're £1.50, and it's part of the Pep & Co range. So they've brought out this new range in Poundland called Pep & Co, and it's really nice range actually. You get some really nice stuff in there. There was some really nice plants in there that I'm going to go back and get, and also some nice cushions, throws, things like that. But they also do like socks, underwear, slippers, and I picked these up for £1.50, and they're really nicely packaged as well. They've got the little bow on the front as well. But this is, I'm trying to show you with the label. Maybe I can take the label off now actually. That's better. So you just got a unicorn on the front, and then the ones at the back, I think they're just spotty. Oh, they're hearts. And then the ones on the back have got little hearts on. You can't have too many pairs of cosy socks in the winter. Picked up some of this twine, is it called? Yeah, Christmas twine. Just because, again, I'm doing some DIY jars with some hot chocolate and some little chocolates in it and things like that. And I just thought this wrap around the top looks really Christmassy and really nice. So yeah, just picked that up. It was £1. You get 2 brown ones, and then you get this red and white one in the middle. And I just think this red and white one's going to look really nice down the top of the jars. Also, you can use this one for like wrapping presents and things. It looks really nice. So for £1 I saw these. The kids said they wanted colour and stuff this year. I saw these and they come as a whole package. So they're just this colouring set. Just this colouring set. So I picked up this one for Finley. Jungle animals, things like that. Comes with crayons. What else did it come with? Comes with a colouring book, activity pad, and then some stickers and a big colouring book at the top. So yeah, for £1 you can't go wrong with that really, can you? And then I picked up this one for Gabby because she's obsessed with mermaids. And same again, you just get the activity pad, 2 colouring books and a load of stickers. And kids love stuff like this. It just keeps them really busy. I nearly smacked myself in the face with it then. Keeps them really busy, and they just really like this stuff. Then I came across this. So easy tear off Christmas plate mats activity. What a good idea this is. So basically, you know, when you go to a restaurant and you're waiting for your food and the kids get a bit irritable and they're fed up with waiting, even though they've probably only waited 5 minutes, you know what kids are like. They get like a little activity pack, so you just get like a little colouring sheet and then some crayons and stuff like that. And I saw these and I thought, what a good idea to have at the table when they're waiting for their Christmas dinner. So it's just these tear off. So it's called Easy Tear Off Christmas placemats activity. So it's just basically the same as the little placemats they get. But I just thought it was such a good idea. So it looked like this. You get 28 sheets of them. The first page, you've just got all these little activities to do. So you've got help me find my way to Santa's village. So it's just a little maze. Then on the next one, you've got can you spot all of them? There are 8 differences. So just a few things to do while they're waiting for Christmas dinner. I just thought that was such a good idea because kids get so bored, and they probably have only waited 5 minutes, but they get really bored, and this is just going to keep them busy. And again, you've just got another page on there with different activities. Such a good idea. I just thought, how amazing for £1 is that? Picked up some kitchen foil because I really needed some. I'd run out, and obviously I'm cooking turkey, so need kitchen foil. And for £1 I think that's really good, because in most shops tin foil can actually be quite expensive nowadays. I haven't actually done my Christmas house tour yet because all my decoration stuff were running out of light, so I needed to pick up some batteries. Picked up some again. Only £1. These are the AAA ones. I pick them up every time I go to Poundland because they're so cheap. I saw this little bath bomb and it's a sloth, and Brandon is obsessed with sloths. In fact, I call him a sloth because sometimes when you ask him to do something, it's really slow. So I've always called him a little sloth. So yeah, I saw this. He's obsessed with little sloths. Thought that was really cute, and it's only £1. Little bath bomb. Picked up some sellotape because obviously we were going to be wrapping loads of presents. I've already run out of sellotape actually, so I'm glad I've done this now because I've got some more. Only £1. So that was everything that I picked up in Poundland this time. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, guys, and I really hope you're having the best Christmas ever. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you for my next video, which hopefully is going to be my Christmas house tour. And I'm so sorry it's up so late, but I've got my batteries now, so I can go and put all my batteries in and get the house lit up again. So hopefully that is going to be my next video, so stay tuned for that one. Merry Christmas, guys. I love you all so much. See you all in my next video. Bye for now. Mwah.